Hi, this is Tony from A&R Boilers, members of the Engineer Team Network. And today's boiler we're looking at is the Ariston Micro Genus 24HE. And we've got a problem where we're getting hot water but no central heating. Now the problem is, if you go look closer, you can see the green LED which is showing the tap symbol, making the boiler in the hot water mode. If I lower this panel down more, you can look a bit more closely. If you notice at the back, you can see the red LED showing. Now that's the flow sensor, and the LED in red suggesting that it's in hot water mode, and it's detecting a flow of water. So it's going to make the diverter valve over here shut and make the boiler to be in hot water mode. So the problem is the flow turbine must be faulty, and it's making the flow sensor energize, go red, put the boiler into hot water mode and stop the heating working. So that's the problem with this particular boiler. So if you've got any more problems out there, so thank you for listening.